Hello guys, today we're gonna make arroz con leche. We're gonna use some water and then we're gonna add some cinnamon. Then I'm gonna add the rice. It's about a 1 cup. Make sure you wash it or rinse it, however you want it, and you let it cook for a little bit. Once the rice is cooked, we're gonna go ahead and add some milk. I'm adding gallon of milk, 2%. You could add evaporated milk, but I'm gonna add regular milk because I had a lot of milk from the when I bought 3 gallons of milk. You should go watch that video when I went shopping at Sam's. So about right there. And then to sweeten up the arroz con leche, we're gonna do la lechera, which is condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk. We're gonna do about half of it because it's only 1 cup of rice, and we don't need to make it that sweet. But right there. And then after we poured in the milk, so we're gonna add a little bit of vanilla extract, right there, and a little bit of salt. That's to balance out the flavors. Now you let it boil. I'm gonna put it up to a 5 so it can start boiling faster. And the rice is done. Look at this. I'm gonna add some cinnamon. And now we are gonna taste it. See how it is? Very good.